Hello everyone, welcome to this audio-visual class. Today we will continue the English grammar, use of much more and less. First of all, these are called quantifier determiners because they denote some type of quantities and they determine the noun. These are used with uncountable nouns. Very important. Much, more, less, these three are used with uncountable nouns. Important point. Out of these three, more can be used for countable as well as uncountable nouns. Examples: eating too much sugar is harmful for our body. After much, the noun is sugar and sugar is uncountable. So here, much is used with uncountable nouns. She has more good manners than others. Here, more denotes a noun, that is manners. And manners are uncountable noun. He covered more distances than others. Distances is countable noun, so more is used with countable as well as uncountable nouns. Less than a glass of water is not sufficient for me. So here, less is a quantifier which denotes the amount of water, and water is an uncountable noun. Next, many fewer. These are called quantifier determiners, but these are used with countable nouns. Let us see with the help of examples. Many students are present today. So many is used with students, and students are nouns and countable nouns. Student, students. So many denotes plural form of student. There are fewer trees. Trees are countable and fewer. This is quantifier determiner. There are fewer trees left in the park. So the presence of trees are less than the expected one. Many a boy goes to play volleyball. Many a boy. Many, it is plural, but many a denotes singular. That's why the verb used here is goes. It's very important. Many, which denote plural countable noun and takes plural verb, whereas many a, which denotes singular countable noun and takes singular verb. With the help of a couple of exercise examples and in exercises, you can understand it very well. Now, many, more, most, this is countable. At the same time, much more, most, this is uncountable. I want more books than others. This here, more is used with countable noun. At the same time, I did more work than my capability. Here, more is used to denote work and work is uncountable noun. Next, use of all. All can be used as pronouns and determiners, both. All is used as countable plus uncountable nouns. All is used as singular plus plural verb, used with singular or plural verb. With the help of examples, let us see. All who receives a prize is genius. Here, all is represented as a particular student in the form of singular verb, is. All his money was lost in a village fair. So here, all is represented as determiners which determine the amount of money. All his money was lost. So we cannot say that all is used all the time for plural nouns. it denotes countable, uncountable, singular as well as plural verbs. Next, all these gifts are for you. Here all here is used as a determiner and it denotes plural form of nouns. Next, use of both. Both is used as pronoun. Both are allowed to take test. Here both is directly used as pronoun. Both is used as determiners. Both of us means both denote us. That's why it's determiner, which determine the quantity of noun or pronouns. Both of us try to solve the sums. So both of us together try to solve the sums. Both and. With both and, it is used as conjunction. Examples: he both writes and learns a lesson twice. So here, before and after and, there are two verbs. So both is used to combine two verbs with the help of and. He eats both mango and banana. Both is used to combine two nouns equal side of the and. He is both intelligent and handsome. Here, intelligent and handsome, these two are adjectives, and both is used to combine two equal objectives. Thank you. I am sure you understood everything. Thank you.